Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. This video is an extension of my earlier video that talks about Donald Trump's recent lucky streak and when that streak might end. I suggest watching that video in order to understand the full planetary energies that will be changing in the coming months. These changes will directly affect Donald Trump and the Republican Party. In this video, we will discuss the planetary movements that will occur before Election Day, which will adversely affect Donald Trump. We will also discuss the best time to vote in order to bypass these negative planetary energies and benefit Donald Trump. So let's get started. The first planetary movement that will adversely affect the Republicans is Jupiter's retrograde movement from 9th October. Whenever Jupiter transits retrograde, it essentially behaves as though it is transiting through the previous zodiac sign. Since the previous sign is a fire sign, this energy will favor the Democrats just as it did until May this year. When Jupiter finally entered Taurus in May, it started favoring Donald Trump. If you have watched my video on the 8 criteria needed for Republicans to win elections, which also analyzes historical results, you will have noticed that the Democrats always win elections whenever Jupiter transits a fire sign on election day. Hence, this retrograde transit of Jupiter is not favorable for the Republicans. The second planetary movement that will adversely affect the Republicans is Mars' transit through Cancer from 20th October. This is the sign where Mars gets debilitated and loses its power. Again, if you have watched my video on the 8 criteria that are needed for Republicans to win elections, you will have noticed that the Democrats always win elections whenever Mars transits Cancer on election day. Hence, this transit of Mars is also not favorable for the Republicans. Now that we are aware of these two transits that will most likely hand over the Oval Office to the Democrats, what can the Republicans do to help Donald Trump? Luckily for the Republicans, Venus will enter Sagittarius on 6th November. Whenever Venus transits Sagittarius on election day, the Republicans win the election. Hence, to avoid the negative energies of Jupiter and Mars transits, which will sway voters towards the Democrats, the Republicans need to cast their vote before 9th October. If the Republicans vote before 9th October, it is highly likely that they will vote for Donald Trump. A major advantage of a postal vote is that it will cause delays in the results being declared. If the counting of votes continues until 5 p.m. on 6th November, when Venus enters Sagittarius, the likelihood of Republicans winning the election will increase significantly. Hence, the Republicans can increase their chances of winning the November elections by casting their votes before 9th October. I hope you found this video informative. If you would like to know the 8 criteria that are required for Republicans to win elections, you can watch that video here. Thank you.